Okay, in this video, we're gonna prove the following result. So we're gonna prove that E is given by this limit. Okay, it's very surprising that when you add 1 to some small quantity and you take to the power n, you get this fixed number E. Okay, we will see where we get this one from. So we know that the definition of the derivative of a function in any point x is given by the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x over h as h goes to 0. So we'll take our function f of x is ln of x. This function is defined for all the values, the positive values. Okay, and especially we know that f prime of x is 1 over x, and in particular f prime at 1 is 1. So we're going to use this one here. So we're going to take this one. So f prime at 1 is 1. So we have the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h is f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 over h. So we know f, it's ln of x. So we have the limit as h goes to 0 of ln of 1 plus h minus f of 1. The log of 1 is 0. So we have this 1 over h. Okay? So in this case, we have h is positive. Okay? And we can rewrite this expression as the log of 1 plus h to the power 1 over h using the rules of the log, because this value is positive and this function is defined for x positive. That means 1 plus h is positive. So we have no problems here. Another thing is that this function is continuous. Okay? So we can do one more thing. Okay? We can enter the limit inside. So we're going to have the natural log of the limit as h goes to 0 of 1 plus h to the power 1 over h. We know that's 1. Okay? One more thing is, okay, so we know that ln of e is 1. Okay? So we know that. So in this case, we know this quantity here is equal by the injectivity of the function to ln of e. That means since this function is increasing, it's injective. Okay, so we have the limit as h goes to 0 of 1 plus h to the power 1 over h is equal to e. Now we need to change this variable here. Okay, so let me use another pen. So let me do it here. So 1 over h, okay, it's gonna be x. That means x is gonna be 1 over h. So as h goes to 0 from the right, x is gonna go, or let's call it n. We wanna prove it for n. So let's call it n. Okay, so as h goes to 0, n is gonna go to plus infinity. So here we have the limit as n goes to plus infinity. So 1 plus h. So h is 1 over n. Okay, so 1 over n, 1 over h is n equals e, because e is constant. Okay, so this shows that this is our quantity that we are interested in. So we have proven that 1 plus 1 over n quantity to the power n is equal to e when n gets bigger or when n goes to infinity. Is very important. we're gonna see where we can use this one in many applications.